Hello guys, Chad asked me to bring him out on a date. Hi kuya! Usually pupunta kami dito kasi masarap yung pizza nila. The best daw na pizza sa Siargao, sabi niya.
Do you know what you want?
Walang pasta? Oh my god. Oh wait lang, check ko. Ito lang, di ba? Sige, check ko muna ha. Okay. Here.
What do you want? So are you gonna get something from there or from here? I mean, what do you want to drink?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Just order first because I'm still thinking.
Wait for you, so we order at once.
I still don't know nga.
It's fine. I'm not in a mood to drink. I'm not gonna drink from the eat.
I wanna order the chicken butt.
Chicken ball?
Yes.
I was gonna send you a video on that. They're talking about disgusting that.
No, there's a chicken butt here. I swear.
Well,
It's 70
there's
pesos.
a video on that saying how disgusting and nasty it is. And it stinks and smells.
No, it doesn't. It's fatty. Oh, maybe I'll just order it. Nakapag-order na ako ng barbecue. Gusto ko sana yung carbonara kasi walang carbonara. Tignan mo yan, oh. Meron kaming pizza, pero mas gusto niyong kumain sa labas. We have a pizza but you rather eat on other people's pizza. Sinabi ba niya mas masarap pa daw yung pizza dito kaysa sa pizza namin. So, okay. Kuya, oh, inaas ko si kuya kung pwede niya ibigay yung recipe. Joke lang. Sobrang sarap ng pizza nila. Ilang minutes yung isang order?
Nandiyan sa 5 minutes to 7.
Ang bilis pa.
Bilis lang, ma'am.
Oo. Ayan.
Busan talaga kami ngayon ng Christmas sa ayuso namin.
Sayang. Gusto ko pa naman ng carbonara ngayon. Hi ate. Hiya si ate. Oh. Huwag ka nahiya. Hindi na lakasan mo yung apoy?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Bigas yung ano nila, lutuan. Tapos ikutin niya. Ay. Italy. Yes.
Oh, talaga?
Parang kupos ata yun. Iba ata yung pagkain doon. Ang galing oh.
Yeah, tapos matubang kaya mo lang.
Luto na yung isang side. Okay. Fratellis from Israel.
Dapat line of flag.
Fratellis, amo ka ba na balon?
Ang galing oh. Ganun oh, kalahati na luto na yung pizza. Wow, ganito yung pizza nila. Ang sarap. Ayan na, si ate na. Si ate na magpakitang gilas.
Magain kami ka ba ng video, ma'am?
Bakit?
Hindi na sana.
Wow. Nice. Anong tawag dyan?
Diesel.
Basil leaves. Yeah. Wow. Yan. Favorite niya yung pizzahan dito. You can eat na. I think my chicken will take
I'm
time.
gonna cool off from it. Thanks.
It's cheesy. You roll it on the
For
fork.
cheesy. It's cheesy for cheesy. Oh my god,
Chicken
it's
leg.
too close.
Chicken leg, I'm joking. I didn't order chicken back.
Why is it so close?
Because I am using the cinematic.
Well, baby, I gotta go step out on the road.
Okay, that's fine.
I gotta.
Okay, I ordered the chicken leg. Gino-joke ko yung asawa ko na in-order ko yung chicken ba. Chicken ba talaga yung nakasulat sa menu? Yan, paubos na yung pizza niya. Kakainin niyo yan buo. Diba? Sharp. Ate, sa akin yung coconut. Sa paper. Oo. So, ito yung... yes. How about you?
No tiramisu? No tiramisu?
No tiramisu.
Ay,
Mint.
no, I'll get. You know, any mint? Chocolate chip mint? Mint?
Yeah, I think we have. I'll just check. My God, ito yung the best na gelato sa Siargao.
Yeah, yeah.
Ate, the best na gelato sa Siargao, di ba? Ang dami lang options. My God. Usually, kinukuha ko yung mga fruity ice, kay fruity gelato.
Yeah.
Di ba mura lang siya? Ice cream lover, pizza lover. Napaka-sweet tooth niya.
This goddamn gelato's good.
Yeah, try it next time. Put it here. I'll take a video. Yan. Yan ang favorite niya, mint, and then tiramisu. Okay, you can eat now. Sabi niya kanina, pwede ba tayo mag-ice cream? Hindi ko pwede naman.